Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use chlorine in a water tank. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always wear personal protective equipment such as chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection like goggles, and a respirator to protect your lungs. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling strong fumes. Remember, chlorine is a powerful chemical. Never mix it with other substances, especially ammonia, as this can produce highly toxic gases. Your safety is paramount throughout this process. Next, let's determine the right amount of chlorine. First, accurately measure your water tank's volume. For a standard shock chlorination, a common guideline is to achieve a concentration of 50 to 100 parts per million of chlorine. A practical way to do this is by adding about 1 gallon of 5.25% unscented household bleach for every 1,000 gallons of water. Always use bleach without added scents or detergents to ensure water quality. With your chlorine solution prepared, it's time for application. Before adding, ensure your tank's interior surfaces are thoroughly cleaned of any debris or sediment. Carefully pour the chlorine solution into the tank, aiming for even distribution across all surfaces and throughout the water. Once added, the chlorine needs sufficient time to work. Allow a contact period of at least 4 hours, and ideally up to 24 hours, for complete disinfection to occur. The final crucial steps involve flushing and testing. After the contact time, completely drain the highly chlorinated water, ensuring proper disposal away from septic systems or natural waterways. Refill the tank with fresh water and flush all outlets until no chlorine odor is detectable. Finally, test your water. You want a free chlorine residual of 0 to 4 parts per million for safe drinking, and ideally, a bacterial test confirming the water is safe for consumption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.